Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my MarkTech channel. In this video, I'm going to share you an interesting integration which helps you to automate your contract management. When you do onboarding automation, the contract management would be the most important part. Like you want to send the contract to the customer as soon as the customer makes the payment, right? And that would give the good reputation for your service also. And most of the times we use services like PandaDoc or DocuSign. Go High Level now on its own has proposal and estimate section, which I will cover in the upcoming videos. But for now, for this video, I will stick to the PandaDoc. As you might know, PandaDoc and DocuSign are the most popular platforms in this area. Let me show you how it works. Say we have a customer who has paid, this is a sample workflow. When an invoice is paid by the customer, you could have created an invoice in the Go High Level itself, and you have sent out to the customer, and as soon as the customer pays that invoice, like this is how invoice status is paid, and immediately it sends a webhook to the Zapier, and Zapier in turn Zapier in turn can send out the document to the client. Say the payment you could have collected through Stripe within the Go High Level itself, or you could have used other payment platforms like Payfunnels and other or whichever the payment processing tool you might use. Covered the webhook part of Zapier in the previous videos. Let's take two cases. Like a customer makes a payment through the Payfunnel, and it has to send out the contract to the customer, right? And here in this case, I have used a Zapier tables where all the incoming records are stored in the Zapier database. This is a sample data. This is similar to data store available in Make, which is which is like a database we have in the cloud, Zapier cloud itself. So you can have multiple columns or multiple to shoot your requirement. Here I have a simple table which collects the email ID, and and if the data is already present, the contract won't send to the customer again. It checks whether it's a new customer or like an existing customer. That's how it works. Pay invoice receipt is completely different. This is like completely related to the automation of document sending from PandaDoc as soon as the customer makes the payment. And what it does is like it creates a table. It looks up for a field, and if the field is matching an exact email ID, then exact email ID, which is the incoming customer email ID, then it will send then it will see whether that is already available in the table, or if it's not available, then it will proceed and send it to the customer. And the key thing here is PandaDoc. Let's go to the PandaDoc once. And PandaDoc has, like you might know, you can create templates out of it. Templates are like empty documents where the fields can be automatically dynamically filled by passing the values to those fields, and then you don't have to create document for each and every customer. You can have a master copy of the template and store it as a template, and for each customer, the customer name, email, phone number, company name, and variables like which product they have purchased, and what is the customer address, and who are the signees. All those can be like variables. Some variables are like system variables, and some are like custom variables which we can create for our own. Say this is how this PandaDoc template would look like, and you can have lots of variables. Just let's go to this variables things. You can see like there are like or multiple variables available, and you can categorize those variables depending on your usage also. And say if at all you have like for role 1 there would be like signature and all those things would be available as a variable. First name, last name, role 2, role 3. You can have any number of signatories for the document, and these are like custom variables which you create specifically to suit your business needs. Like this is how you can create a custom variable and store it and use it in any part of this document. And say if at all I have a custom variable like the program type 1, which I'm going to dynamically pass it from Zapier, then this fields would be varying for each and every customer depending on their product purchase. And this could be like we can hard code those fixed values also. And at the end of the document you can have a pricing table also. Pricing table like how you can have like what is the product, what is the price, and how much quantity customer is buying. All those things can be, and then you can have the signatories. One by one the customer can go and sign. This is how a document a template would look like, and this fields can be dynamically populated. Let's go back to the Zapier ones and see, and key part of this video is how you can dynamically populate fields in the PandaDoc. Say you have to create a document, and in the create document you have to select which template you are going to use, like whether you are going to use, and document name you can name as you like you can have a name like a customer name or customer company name underscore document standard name like my masterclass or like high ticket program, whichever the thing you like to have. And then you have to create the template. These are like the templates which are already created in the we have already created in the PandaDoc. The PandaDoc can have multiple templates, and each template you can pull it the desired template from the PandaDoc. And then you can choose the folder also, and you can also choose like whether you want to automatically send the document or like you want to create the document from the template with the filled values, and then you can go and manually review it, and then you can send it instead of automatically sending it. That control also you have. And then you have to fill the role, like what is the client recipient's email, and what is the recipient's name, and client company phone, everything you can fill. And then comes the interesting part. Remember I told you like we have created some dynamic variables, and those dynamic variables would be we have to populate it from the incoming values. Say when a customer has paid the invoice for a PF product or like a monthly recurring product, then you can dynamically populate those values depending on the customer purchase. And the key thing is like the dynamic variables would be available in Zapier with the unique identifier like token : payment terms, token : program fee, token : sender company address. These are like the dynamic variables. Please note this so that you can, when you create a action in Zapier, this would be very handy, and you can easily identify the dynamic variables. When you search it for like token : that all are dynamic variables. And then you can send tokens, sender first name, sender last name, everything. And pricing table name also you can choose. As I said I I have used a pricing table inside the document. Say how much quantity customer is purchasing and what is the final prices looking like. This is the pricing table, and you can have multiple pricing table also, not just for one product. You can add multiple products also. PandaDoc has an option for displaying the products also. You have to use catalog, and then you can use the add product thing. And in the add product you can mention the name, SKUs, all those description, pricing, whether it's one time recurring, everything you can put it here, and then you can include those products in the pricing table too. And then you can mention which is the currency and what is the products, each product description, and how much is what they are offering the description, how much discount you are going to offer. And then once you click continue, that's it. This automation will helpful even if you have like multiple products. You can differentiate with the use of branches or like Zapier Paths. Please refer to our earlier video, like where we have clearly used multiple paths to branch out the customers. In this way you can have a different template for each customer, each category of customers. I hope this video helps in automating your document sending or like contract sending. Let me know in case if you have any queries in the comment section. I'll happy to answer that. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing channel. Thanks. Bye.